Hello guys, how are you guys doing? Hopefully everybody had a good new year. Katatapos lang ng new year dito sa state sa state na tinitirahan ko. Right now it's 1:14. Okay? And ang topic natin ngayon is tungkol sa video ni Fiscal EJ. Okay? Kasi maganda naman yung topic niya eh. Pero I'm just trying to understand yung sinasabi niya and yung mga effects and complications nito. So, sandali lang ah. Okay. Oh, hold on. Okay. So, let's get started. Where is it? Let me play the video.
Ni Pedro na hindi matinong asawa si Juan. Fiscal, paano naman kung totoo talagang rapist, gumagamit ng droga, pilantod, pilay, nagbebenta ng peking produkto, irresponsableng ama, may sakit sa pag-iisip o hindi matinong asawa si Juan o isang kabit si Maria? Makakasuhan pa rin ba ng libel si Pedro? Hindi porket totoo ang isang bagay ay kailangan na itong malaman ng publiko. May mga pribadong bagay na itinatago ang mga tao to avoid social embarrassment.
Okay. Social embarrassment. Pag pinapahiya ba ang isang tao, is that automatically bad? Okay? Think about it, okay? Automatically bad pag pinapahiya ba ang isang tao. The answer is no. Posible naman kaya pinapahiya ang isang tao is because they want that person to become better. Katulad sa isang classroom, sometimes pinapahiya ka ng teacher because the teacher want you to do better. The teacher wanna push you because you are not applying yourself 100%. Kaya ka pinapahiya minsan is because to push you. Okay, that's one possibility. Okay?
Therefore, hindi po excuse na ikalat mo sa social media ang mga bagay na ikasisira ng isang tao kahit na ito ay totoo. Kung ikinalat mo lang yon para manlait, manira at ilagay siya sa kahihiyan, meaning wala kang good motives and justifiable ends kung bakit mo nilathala ito, magiging libelous pa rin kahit na totoo.
Okay. All right, let's skip. Mali yung ano. I was thinking about something pero mali yung iniisip ko.
Truth, therefore, is not a defense unless it was made with good motives and justifiable ends. For example, nagalit si Pedro kay Juan dahil hindi pa nababayaran ni Juan ang utang nito kay Pedro. sa galit niya kay Juan, nag-post si Pedro sa kanyang Facebook account kung saan sinulat niya na, "Hoy, Juan, mag ka ng utang mo. Pilay ka na, hindi ka pa marunong magbayad ng utang."
Oh,
At Planet Fitness, no two members are alike, but they all have one thing in common.
sorry.
Question, libelous ba ang sinabing ito ni Pedro laban kay Juan? The answer is yes, libelous po. Kahit na totoo talagang pilay si Juan, walang good motive and justifiable end si Pedro sa pang-iinsulto niya sa disability ni Juan. Dahil ang pagiging disabled ni Juan ay walang kinalaman sa hindi pagbayad ni Juan sa utang niya kay Pedro. Masasabi nating ang tanging layunin lamang ni Pedro ay ipahiya si Juan sa mga tao dahil sa galit niya kay Juan. Now, ano ba ang rule?
Okay, babalik tayo dito ah. Okay, so you heard what he said. Okay? Ang sabi niya is, especially doon sa example, okay? Kahit na totoo, okay? It needs, doon sa sinasabi niya sa cyber libel, kahit na totoo, it needs to be with good motives and justifiable ends. So yung example niya ulit, papakinggan nga ulit natin.
Nating ang tanging layunin lamang ni Pedro ay insulto niya sa disability ni Juan. Dahil ang pagiging disabled ni Juan ay walang kinalaman sa hindi pagbayad ni Juan sa utang niya kay Pedro. Masasabi nating ang tanging layunin lamang.
Okay. So yung sinasabi niyang example is yung sinasabi niya dito is truth is not a defense unless it was good with good motives. So ang sinasabi niya dito, when you tell somebody the truth, it needs to be in good motives. It needs to be hindi mo siya pinapahiya. Now, let's talk about the truth. Because if there's a truth, there's a lie. Okay? If there's a lie, there's the truth. How can you say the truth if you don't want to hurt the other side? How is that truth? Because the truth will always protect the truth, and the truth will always demolish the lie. Okay? Same thing with a lie. The lie will demolish itself and it will bring up the truth. So no matter what, between two sides, when you're talking about truth, there is somebody who will get hurt. Okay? Unless, okay, ang sinasabi ni Fiscal EJ is to just speak good about everything. We don't say anything bad about anything, about anyone. Now, in a world of free people, how will that work? How will people learn? How will people grow? How will people become better? If you only say good things about them and you never say bad things about them. So, eto nga that's the problem. Okay? Because hindi ibig sabihin pinapahiya mo siya that you want what's worst. You are not helping him. Okay? What if nag-ripple effect this through time? And when this person becomes older, it made him better. Because sometimes guilt is a good teacher. Yung pagpapahiya, shame is a good teacher. Sometimes they will help you become better. Shame, guilt. So, think about this. Think about the effects of this in real world. Kasi you cannot make people say good things all the time. People need to speak freely. Okay? Pero to be honest, maganda yung video ni Fiscal EJ. It really made me think. Okay? So, once again, you guys have a nice night and peace out.